और इसके लिए ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब अपन एक क्राइटेरिया लगा देंगे कि बुढ़े लोगों के लिए या कैंडिडेट एम्प्लॉयज को भी दे सकते हैं बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स बट उनका फिर वो देखना पड़ता है इनका मैंने भी 29 इयर्स की पर्सन को देखा सीईओ हां तो बेस्ड ऑन उसके क्वालिफिकेशन उसने साबित किया है कि मैं कर सकता हूं नहीं पता है your first question. Yeah, or resolution can definitely ask special, ordinary. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, yeah, resolution can be complicated because there can be resolution for many things. What it is, but okay, resolution can be of shifting of legislative office from one place to another. Resolution can be for postal ballot. Resolution can be for expansion of business. So resolution can be for anything. There are a number of cases. So they can apply different times. And what happened for us in exam we don't know. Yes. Okay. So that's the reason why.
Let this come. Oh yeah, let this now. Recording hasn't started. I'm just waiting. That's the reason. Yeah, now it's started. So we are able to conclude this one now. So you can see that standard mix is not equal to actual mix. Okay. And like actual cost is 13 and 10. So we will multiply this and find out 160 into 13. And then 120 into 10 is 1200. So now what you have to do is, as our formula says, you have to find out revised standard. So we can do that in a very simple way. For 300 standard mix, if our standard yield is 270, so here the loss is 5, actual loss. For 300 standard mix, if our standard yield is 270, for 280 actual mix, what is the revised standard yield? We can find out this one, correct? Or else there is one more method that also I'll tell you. 270 into 280 divided by 300. So it will be 250. So this is your revised standard yield. Okay. So how we got this? 280 into 270 by 300. This is one of the ways. Or else you can do one thing. You can find out the revised quantity. Okay. Revised standard quantity. So for 300 standard mix, if the standard quantity is 200, for 300 standard mix, if the standard quantity is 200, for 280 actual mix, what is your revised standard quantity? So you can cross multiply 280 into 200. This way or that way, anything is okay. That can give you direct answer. If you follow this, it's also okay. In the same way, for this standard mix, If the standard quantity is this, for this, sorry, standard quantity is 100. For 280 actual mix, what is the revised quantity? So you can, that also you can find out. 93.3, and when you total it, it's 280 you're getting, and then standard loss would be the same, it won't change, 30. Actually it's like 186.666 plus 93.333, it's 279. So that is 280. It's like 280, and standard loss is 10%, it seems in the question. So 28 I'll remove, 252 exactly I'll get, and that is matching with this what we have directly found. Correct? Correct? Karina? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now there is standard rate we need to find. So we will multiply this with the standard price, 12 and 10. Tell me what is the revised standard cost? It's like
2,240.
2240.
933.
933. Add this to, so 3173 by,
3173.
yeah, by 280 is 11.33, correct?
Yes.
It's like 252, sorry. Uh, Actually 3173 by standard output we should take 252 will give you how much?
12.59.
Yeah, 12.59. Okay, so now we will take this all things. So standard rate into actual yield minus revised standard yield. 12.59 into actual yield is how much? Actual yield is 275, correct? Minus 250. So we thought this much will be the yield is more. So it will be favorable. So answer is nothing but 289.57 favorable. Okay, just have a look to this. We are done with the yield variance also. I'm going to send you some links right now, Zarina. So today you finish metal mix variance one question, metal yield variance same way. You have to see whether actual standard mix and actual mix are same or not. And in one case you have to see whether standard mix is actual to is equal to actual mix, standard mix is not equal to actual mix. So in that case, you have two variances, two different methods in mix and yield. So both the things you need to do, okay, based upon the question. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So you understood the concept, na, Zarina?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You want to do one question or as homework?
I'll do as homework.
Homework, okay. So now, again final repetition I am giving. I have already explained you mix variance, metal mix variance, metal yield variance. There is labor mix variance and labor yield variance. Okay, or efficient, or you
Yep.
can say, yeah. And in these two cases, here you will be having quantity, here you will be having hours. You have to change. Then rate will change in price will change into rate. Correct? Write it.
Yes.
So quantity, hours, price, rate. Okay, rest everything same. So revised standard quantity will become revised standard hours, like that. Okay, so procedure is same. There is no change. You want me to explain labor variances, or you can try? I'm just asking.
I can try, sir.
Yeah, because it's the same thing you're having. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm sending you a couple of questions. Finish it off. Tomorrow we will start market variances,
Okay.
market variance and sales variance. Tomorrow's topic. Okay. The next day overhead variances. Finished. So tomorrow again same time 12:30. I'll ready. Not 12:30. Tomorrow I'll be taking in the evening only. Evening be ready for the class tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay.